Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut the Heart, and I'm back with a small project share. I have been really busy with baseball and dance and all the other things that I have going on, and I just took a little kind of tiny little break from doing some crafting. Just a reminder that I do have my birthday challenge up on my channel. So if you're interested, it's very simple to just send a birthday card for my daughter for her birthday, and you'll be in the running to win a prize. Okay, so let's just go into my project share. So I did not complete my scrap bin collaboration. The last one was supposed to be like the third week of April. It was just hectic week. But I did do some things for that. I just needed to finish them. So let me show you. I used up the last kind of bits that I liked in my scrap bin. Some of the things that I used is I used my Cat Scrappiness dot matte dies. I love these. These are my absolute favorite ones. I use them all the time. I used the Birthday Anya 2, and I used the Popsicle CC Designs. These are like all my favorite kind of go-tos. I buy tons of stamps, but I end up going back to the ones I love. And then sort of my new favorite is I think this is March Club La La Land crafts. I just happen to really love the little baking girl and little hamsters. So those are what I used. And then this card right here, what I did for this card is I had all these different sized strips of paper left from the Echo Park. It's like a birthday paper. So all I did was put adhesive all over the front of my card, and then I just layered the strips, and then I just cut all around, and it just created its own background paper. So that used up a lot of scrap. And then I just stamped my Anya, colored her in with Copics, and I probably will give her a spray. Because my new favorite thing also is this sheer shimmer spray. So I'll probably spray that in a bit, but I wanted to share this while it wasn't wet. And then I just tied it off with some of this mint ribbon from Stampin' Up, and then a simple happy birthday sentiment, which I popped up. So the first one. And then this one, I had a piece of this is like 3 different collections of paper that all seem to kind of go together. So I just kind of went with it using a little popsicle. So this was all in my scrap bin. Even this little flag here was in my scrap bin. So I just went ahead and created a card base out of it. I stamped my little popsicle girl, colored her in with Copics, and cut her out. And then I used some enamel dots. So just another layout that you could use. And then my last card, I just had this one small strip of paper from one of the cooking collections, probably Cartabella is what I'm thinking. And then this is from a different collection, the B side of a collection that I went ahead and I used. I thought it went together. And then I cut out stamped my my little baker, colored her in with Copic markers, which I love how she came out. I think she looks really cute. I cut her out, and then on the side it says Baker's Gonna Bake, and I just stamped that on white, put it on some yellow scrap, cut it out. And then I have these jewels that are just kind of sitting on my desk that just kind of went with it. So I went ahead and did that. And so here are 3 really simple cards using things from my scrap bin. So I am trying to decide my next project is going to be. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Cricut the Heart.